Okay, so the Pi community has been waiting for this moment for what feels like forever, right? The chance to actually use our Pi for real-world stuff. Well, today we're diving into a new development that looks like it's making that happen. But, and this is important, there's a huge catch you need to know about. Let's get into it.
So let's just ask the big question right up front. Could you really use the Pi you've been mining to go out and buy a brand new iPhone? I mean, that's the dream use case, isn't it? Well, guess what? An application has just popped up that claims you can do exactly that.
Yep, the app is called Pi Mobile Store, and right there, it lists an iPhone 15 Pro Max for purchase with Pi. How cool is that? It's this incredible peek into what the future of shopping with Pi could actually look like. But hold on, before you get too excited, let's walk through how you would even find this thing.
So, where is this app hiding? Well, finding it is actually pretty straightforward. Here's a quick little guide to locating it right inside the Pi ecosystem you're already familiar with. It's literally just 4 simple steps. You open up your Pi browser, you tap on Pi apps, then you click mainnet, and from there, you just search for Pi Mobile Store. But, and this is a huge but, before you even think about trying it out, there's something absolutely critical you need to get.
The moment you open this app, you're going to see a notice that says it's a TESTNET app. Okay, this is when you need to put everything down and listen up, because understanding the difference between test Pi and real Pi is everything.
So what on earth is a testnet? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like a flight simulator, but for app developers. It's a totally safe practice area where they can build and test their stuff without any real-world consequences. The test Pi you use in there is basically monopoly money. It has zero actual value.
So let's just lay it out, side by side, to make it super clear. Test Pi is only for practice, for getting a feel for how things work. Mainnet Pi? Well, that's the real deal. That's what you've mined, and that's what has the potential for real value, for actual buying and selling. And right now, the Pi Mobile Store only, and I mean only, works with Test Pi.
All right, now we get to the most important part of this whole thing. This comes straight from the source material we're looking at from Farouk Monitor, who first checked out this app. There's a critical warning you absolutely need to hear, and it's all about keeping your assets safe.
Yeah, that's it. Caution. And I'm not just saying this lightly. This is a serious warning about messing around with new and unverified applications, not just in Pi, but in any crypto space.
The message from the source could not be clearer. Until the application is verified, do not use it. And let's be crystal clear about this. This app has not been officially verified by the Pi core team.
So what's the big deal? Why are we being so careful here? Well, number 1, the app isn't verified. Number 2, even the person who made the original video about this made a point of not logging in with his own account. And number 3, using unverified apps like this could open you up to huge risks, like exposing your personal data and maybe even your wallet.
So with all these warnings, is this app just totally useless? Well, not exactly. We just got to shift our perspective on what it's really for right now.
The best way to look at the Pi Mobile Store is like a window display at a mall. You can look, you can get excited about what's inside, you can see how it's all set up, but you can't actually go in and buy anything. It's a safe way to get a sneak peek at the future of Pi shopping without putting yourself at risk.
You know, at the end of the day, even with all the warnings, a test app like this is a good sign. It's progress. It's a little glimpse of what's just around the corner, and it definitely gets you thinking. So, I'm going to leave you with this question. When the fully verified, totally secure marketplaces finally do arrive, what is the very first thing you're going to buy with your Pi?